Introducing a new way to cover walls is the Geology Collection. Authentic honed slate is sold in a flexible panel format, creating a one-of-a-kind wall statement. We recommend a contractor or professional wall covering installer with the correct tools hang this material. Be sure to cover old latex paint and new sheetrock or very absorbent walls with a good quality primer that is specifically made for wall covering. Allow the primer to dry thoroughly before hanging. We strongly recommend lining the walls before installation with Geology liner paper, item 4130, a special black vinyl lining paper with a fabric backing. This liner will protect the walls and hide gaps where the panels join. The liner should be applied with a strippable adhesive. Geology comes in two panel sizes, 12 by 24 inch panels and 24 by 48 inch panels. In this video, we will be using the larger 24 by 48 inch panel. Before cutting or adhesion, measure and map out panel design. Consult with your designer on the layout of panels. Color will vary from panel to panel due to the inherent characteristics of the natural slate and should not be considered a defect. We recommend laying out the slate before installation to see which variations work best. In addition, we recommend measuring out the panel design layout on the wall. In our test hang, our installer measured layout on wall, marking it with pencil and removable painter's tape to create a map of panels. Please note, the walls were prepped, primed, and lined with Geology liner paper, item 4130. Geology can be cut using a variety of tools. For items 4122 and 4125, use metal shears or utility scissors. For items 4120, 4121, 4123, and 4124, use a skill saw or circular saw with a diamond or carbide blade. We recommend cutting face down when using the saw. Please note, there is a definite front and back to the Geology panels. Back is clearly marked with a sticker. Geology panels are flexible. Flexibility will vary depending on item and size. Test flexibility prior to installation. We recommend using the adhesive Loctite Power Grab or a similar indoor-outdoor construction adhesive for best results. Please note that Loctite Power Grab is available domestically at local hardware stores. A hand caulking gun is required to apply this adhesive. Test an area of the wall to be certain that you are getting proper adhesion before hanging all panels. Apply adhesive to the back of each panel. Squeeze adhesive sparingly 1/4 of an inch from the edge around the entire panel. Then fill in the center of panel with adhesive, applying in an X-like or S-like motion so that the panel has even coverage. Place up on wall, holding panel firm, and smooth out with hands so that the adhesive is evenly distributed. If needed, adjust the position of panel before adhesive sets. Roll edges with a rubber seam roller or J roller to ensure adhesion to wall. Place up one panel at a time, butting up edges for a close, tight fit. In our test hang, installer used a level to ensure even panel placement. Wipe with a damp cloth or sponge to remove slate dust and any slight scratching that might occur. Stone patterns, color, and overall thickness will vary from panel to panel. These variations are the inherent beauty of the natural slate and should not be treated as a defect. To smooth or shape edges of geology, we recommend using a hand drill with sander attachment or belt sander. For electrical outlets, thermostats, etc., we recommend using a jigsaw, creating a paper template of the geology panel that will be placed over that area. Mark section on the panel where to cut and use jigsaw to cut around template. Here it is marked with a white box. Depending on usage of geology, you may want to consider sealing the slate with a high-quality sealant after installation to protect it from staining. Application of sealant is up to the designer or end user. Areas that would benefit from sealant are high-traffic areas, kitchen backsplash, bathrooms, and outdoor uses. We recommend testing the sealant that is chosen on a sample or extra panel before applying entire installation.